In this video, I will teach you how you can send this gift message on Instagram. It is very simple, so please watch the video till the end. First, you need to update your Instagram to the latest version, and then after that, open the chat you want to send the message. So I will be using this chat. This is one of my friend. So now if you want to send this type of message, you need to type a message, and after that this magnifying glass, you tap here once, and then you will find these boxes. So if you want the gift one, tap here. As you can see, this is the gift one. If you want something else, and then again tap the magnifying glass and tap this. So as you can see, this is how you change your this is how you send gift message, or you can say this type of message. Hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching.